Wow, it's a really pretty drive. Okay, I'm filming myself driving, so say something funny. This is the windiest road. Oh no! Good morning, friends! Today is going to be an epic adventure. Bunny, I don't know how she found it, but we're on our way to Tillamook because Bunny made a reservation for us to do a rail rider adventure excursion thing. It's essentially like a small vehicle that will be like, I think it's a two-person vehicle, or maybe they go a little bit more, but essentially we'll be cycling through on like a set of like trail or train track kind of things. Now, I think I've done something similar to these before, and we're only doing a short one. I think we did like a half-day excursion, but I think the one that she booked, you can go like a full day, but I believe the one we're doing is only 4 miles. Apparently, this is a kayak loading area, according to Bunny. I would never have guessed. I was like, what is this? So the spot we were supposed to meet, when we got there, because we got there like an hour early, it was just like an open field and there was no one around. So we just assumed that wasn't where we were supposed to meet. And we ended up at the docks that was just like down the street, just to kind of get our bearings and give Tyson a little walk before we go on our adventure. And then Bunny called them and found out, oh, like, they're there now. So we came back out to the same field and here it is, we're ready. You know, let's get ready for the ride of our lives. Hi, Bunny.
Riley, are you excited?
I'm so excited. Are you?
This is about to be epic.
Yeah.
Yay. This is going to be fun. Riley, you have to pedal.
Oh, yeah. So it turns out I have really short legs, and pedaling is going to be kind of difficult because they have the seat as forward as possible, but I can't reach.
This is going to be fun.
Safety first. Secure pocket. Unfortunately, if anything's in a loose pocket and it drops on the track today, we can't stop to get it.
Oh no.
But you're more than welcome to go after the tour and walk the track to get it. So it's very important you want to secure everything as best as you can before we take off.
We're doing great. We're trying hard.
Oh, we're done.
Our friends are doing all the work back there. So we made it to the halfway point, and the guides are turning the cars around.
Guys, it's hard.
Yeah, unexpected. I don't know why I didn't expect that, but my legs are burning. Oh golly. 1, 2, 3, and turn. Oh,
That one has to walk all the way to the end?
they got this. Well, that's the guide car, I think.
Oh.
Here we go again.
We can do it.
We got this.
Oh, the shape of this.
When we woke up this morning, I somehow didn't realize that we would be getting a workout in. Should have stretched. We finished. That was so hard, but so worth it. It was so much fun. Now to go get little Tyson. They let me park my car under the shade here to make it more comfortable for the baby. Tyson! Hi, baby. Who's excited? I'm just letting him walk out a little bit. Oh. Hi, Tyson. Hi. Go. Hi. Okay, so we just finished our ride. For safety reasons, they wouldn't let us take our GoPros on there. So, but I was able to take pictures and do a little bit of. Look. We're gonna talk to the camera. See? Tyson is upset that he missed out. He missed out on the adventure. We couldn't really film during the ride itself, so I'm just gonna show a few clips from our trip. It was quite a workout. It was unexpected. I didn't expect there to be such a workout. We're on our way to Tillamook, back to Tillamook, I should say. The last time we were there, we were in a hurry for some reason. I don't remember, but now we're headed back to continue the cheese tour. We found a pretty viewpoint and we just stopped to take some pictures. I love little stops like these. We made it! There's so many people here today. And it kind of smells like a barnyard. So here they have not just cheese, but ice cream too. And it's a self-guided tour on the inside. I'm really excited. We had to miss this the last time we were in Tillamook. And we came back! Tell us what you have all read about this.
So this is on the Oregon Cheese Tour, which is awesome. Tillamook is one of the largest manufacturers of cheese on the West Coast, and they have all sorts of cool things, which you already talked about: ice cream, cheese, all sorts of dairy products. This is going to be epic. They also have some interactive exhibits. I am excited. Yes.
I just want to eat cheese and ice cream.
That's pretty cool. There's Cal. There's Cal. He has on 3D glasses. He has popcorn. He's watching a grilled cheese in 3D. I want to watch a grilled cheese in 3D. We need some food. Oh, this is about to be good. This is about to be so good.
I got my cheese samples. Oot, 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 oot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What do you get? What do you get?
I have the medium cheddar, which I've had before, and there's smoked black pepper, which I don't think I've ever tried this before, but it sounds amazing.
Ooh.
Oh, I love cheddar. I actually like a sharper cheddar, I think, but this is still really good.
Okay, what's next?
Smoked black pepper. Ooh, ooh.
Woo.
I'm very excited for this. Oops, I opened it poorly. Difficulties. Okay, here's how it looks. I am so excited. Ooh! Mm. Yep, you can really, excuse me, you can really taste the smokiness of it. It's not too bad. It's not like too overpowering. I love it. If we see more of this, I'll get some.
Please still super, super good. Yes, yes, and yes.